G'day cocktail lovers, glad to have you back. And hey, exciting, change, variation. Got my friend Timea here today. How are you?
Hi, I'm well, thanks. How are you?
Good, good. We've known each other through making YouTube videos locally, and I said, hey, who wants to collaborate? And Timea said, me. And I said, do you want to have some cocktails? And she said, yes.
Absolutely, yeah.
So we're day drinking and thought, do it in the backyard because it's relatively nice weather, early. So it's mid-autumn here, really, isn't it?
Yeah.
Getting a little
yeah.
little taste of winter, but it's not bad.
Mm-hmm.
So you'll hear the sounds of nature. Hopefully not my neighbour's lawnmower again. We've had 2 false starts. It was terrible. But yes, I'm also going casual, you'll notice, because it's casual. It's backyard drinking. We're doing this. And I thought I want to do something where we could basically have a conversation. So we're going to do some comparisons. I make a lot of different sugar syrups. And once you mix them in, I'm not always sure how much difference they make. People say, oh no, it's a big difference, but I've never done a test. So I thought I'm going to make a nice simple cocktail, a daiquiri, nice rum daiquiri, and I'm going to make 4 versions of it with 4 different sugar syrups. Now I've made, this is just a standard sugar syrup, half water, half sugar. This is a banana syrup I made.
Ooh.
Yeah, if you put sugar on top of a banana, it leaches all the water out of the banana peel.
Wow.
And so that's where all the liquid comes from, banana. So that's a banana. This one is a honey syrup, half honey, half water.
Nice.
And this one is a complicated one I made. This is a milk clarified sweet and sour. So bless you, my neighbour. Okay, I don't know if the microphone just picked up that massive sneeze, but so we're going to make a simple daiquiri with white rum, lime, and sugar.
It's exciting.
Yeah.
I've not had a drink in ages, actually.
There you go.
Yeah.
See, we've all been repressed with these lockdowns, so we can get out and about with the birds. And so we're going to make it. It's pretty simple. I'm just going to use a white rum. You can use, people sometimes use gold rums or other H rums. This is a white rum. This is from Queensland, in fact.
Okay.
The Beanley Distillery is Australia's oldest rum distillery, I think.
Oh.
Bundy is better known, but Beanley is actually an older distillery.
Okay.
So I'm going to use this white rum, lime juice, a big thing of lime juice I squeezed earlier, and the sugar syrups. So, just realised, cocktail shaker. I might get you to hold that, actually, Smash.
Alrighty.
So, here we have our jigger where we measure.
Mm-hmm.
So it's pretty straightforward. The base thing is going to be 2 ounces, 60 mils of rum. And we'll put that down. And it's going to be 1 ounce, 30 mils of lime juice. And half an ounce of the sugar syrup. So I'm just going to make this one on camera once. And then we'll make some others. Timea and I will shake them, and then we're going to do the tasting. So
that's the best part.
That's the best part. We've got to build up to that, yeah. So half an ounce, 15 mils of sugar syrup.
Yeah.
And so a little bit of ice. Oh, sorry, that just splashed.
No, it didn't get me.
Physics came into effect there, and it splashed everywhere. And
I can smell it.
Yeah.
It's very potent.
Yes. It's a nice aroma, a bit of the rum and the tropical. So we just put this one together. I'll give you the Parisian. This is my catchphrase. I say bang it in hard. I'm always going for innuendo and thinking bang it in hard. And this is pretty easy. You just got to shake these for 10 seconds. So magic of editing. Timea and I are going to make 4 of these, and then we're going to come back and taste them. Okay, shaking it like a Polaroid picture.
Some more shaking.
Some more shaking.
That's how James Bond has his drinks.
Oh, that's a whole different conversation about how you shouldn't actually do that.
Oh, okay.
For a martini, we can do another one about shaken versus stirred drinks. James Bond was an idiot, is what I'm saying. So he didn't know what he was talking. Or Ian Fleming, who wrote James Bond, didn't know what he was talking about.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I think he just made it up. But, yes. So if you're new to cocktail shaking, you may experience what Timea is getting, that the Parisian shaker, or even the other one, Boston shaker, gets stuck when it expands and gets cold. It's just a practice thing, getting it ready. So pouring the last of our cocktails.
I always thought it was like hot things that expand when they heat up, not cold things. I thought it was the opposite.
Okay, Timea just pointed out that my science is completely wrong. Yes, it contracts. You are absolutely right. It contracts, and so it basically forms a vacuum. It forms a seal, and so you have to work to break the seal. So yeah. All right, but we are done. We've done some shaking. Now, this one. This is our daiquiri. This is with my standard sugar syrup. So
Cheers.
Cheers. Not using fancy glassware, but we're just tasting.
Should we scull it or just taste a little bit?
I think sip, taste, and then knock it back.
Okay.
Oh, I do love a daiquiri.
That's really nice. Yeah.
Yeah. Really simple. 3 ingredients: rum, lime, and sugar. That's just.
It's so good. Like, it's actually so good.
Yeah, no, it's a really good drink.
It's
There's
really
a reason this has been around for 100 years. So I was like, yeah, okay, knock it back. This is going to catch up with us in half an hour.
Okay, wow, we're going to be wasted.
Okay, so that was with the plain sugar syrup. This is with the banana syrup.
Okay.
So I want to see if you think this tastes different. So.
Okay. It's a little different.
Subtly different.
Yeah, I don't know how it doesn't taste anything like banana.
No, I'm not tasting banana either.
It
But-
just tastes slightly different, but I don't know how.
Yeah, it's again, it's good. It's my resident magpie, Jessie, saying hello. Hi, Jessie. How you doing? She
Hi,
wants
Jessie.
us. I think she wants us to feed her, but we're drinking, Jessie. I'm sorry. So, cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. Now this one. Yeah, I know. You're lucky I didn't break out the overproof rum. I've got some really
wow.
strong rums in there.
Ooh,
This is a standard one.
thank you.
Okay, so this is honey syrup.
I can smell the honey.
You can smell the honey?
Yeah.
Okay, have a little sippy sip. It is different again, isn't it?
It's a lot stronger.
You think like the honey's made it seem stronger?
I think
Or
so.
you think the honey flavour is coming through more?
Let me just taste it again.
Yeah,
to
another
make
taste.
sure.
Another taste.
I don't know. It doesn't taste as much like honey like it smells.
But, it's more on the nose, yeah.
Yeah.
But it's good. Okay. Kids, don't binge drink, okay?
Yeah, no.
We're not.
Don't try this at home.
It's not that much because we're just doing half measures each, so it's not that much. So the final one, ran out of little glasses. We've got different glassware for this one. This is with my milk clarified sweet and sour mix. This is just a concoction that took me a couple of days to make because sometimes I get obsessive like that. So
So it's not vegan then, if it's got milk in it.
it is. Are you vegan?
Like most of the time.
I should have asked. That's it.
Like I can have
It-
non-vegan foods occasionally.
Okay, it has
but,
whey
yeah.
in it. It's been separated into the curds and whey, so it actually does have milk in it.
Okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah,
I
I'm
won't hold
okay.
it against you. No?
No, it's totally fine.
Okay.
Like,
I should have asked. Oh my God, what sort of animal doesn't ask these things? Oh,
That's right.
yes, but it does have milk in it, so we'll try this one now.
We didn't cheers.
Cheers. Ooh.
This one tastes about the same as the last one, but I think my favourite one was still the first one.
The first one?
Yeah.
Yeah, and that was just straight sugar syrup. Yeah.
The daiquiri.
Yeah.
That was my favourite
Yeah.
so far. Yeah.
All right. But yeah, it's interesting. There's definitely a difference between the different syrups, but it's
Yeah.
not huge because you're putting rum in, and we're putting a
Yeah.
couple of shots of rum in this.
Yeah.
So it definitely makes a difference. There's no two ways about that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, thanks for joining. I think so your YouTube channel, Timea. How can
Yes.
people find you?
Well, are you going to put the link in the description?
Yeah, there will be a link in the description, but you
It's,
explain a bit about your channel.
It's a music channel at the moment. Like, it was a bit random at first, and now I've sort of found my niche in music. So I've just been writing my own songs and performing them, and I'm kind of in between instruments. I used to be more of a keyboard player.
Yeah.
Now I'm sort of learning the guitar.
Okay.
So, yeah, it's
Nice.
going in a good direction.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. So for a bit of original music and entertainment from Timea,
Yeah.
there will be a link in the description. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this. Doing something a little bit different. And let me know if you want to see more. I have other people who can come and drink in my backyard. We could have a party here. Have me run a bar at a party and see what people want.
Yeah.
But Jesse's signing off as well. So hey, if you're not already subscribed, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, comment, all those good things. Share, tell your friends, blackmail your family, all these things.
Yeah.
And I hope to see you again soon. But in the meantime, look after yourself, look after people around you. And from the both of us, cheers.
Cheers.